Welcome back. I'm Aaron from Pelican Racing Parts. Today on our YouTube channel, we're going to do a how-to install of our Pelican Racing billet lightweight steering kit for a CK3 chassis, 98 to 2003. This is a kit we make, CNC machine. The standard kit comes with our lightweight pivot, a steering rod, a left and a right side, and then we also offer an optional rod for a third piece. We'll go from steering post out to our lightweight pivot. This all matches really nicely with our chrome moly one-piece steering post. All this ties in really good. On the standard steering kit, we're going to remove 3.2 to 3.5 pounds from the machine, and it's going to steer nice and smooth. This kit's for drag racing. It does take quite a bit of weight off. So today, we're going to need some basic hand tools, some metric wrenches, a few metric sockets, a little dead blow hammer. Just got electric 3/8 gun to make it a little easier. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the top gusset that holds on to the factory steel pivot. We're going to remove this, remove the linkage from the steering post, outdoor pivot. We're going to remove the steering rack assembly through here. Then after this, we're going to grind off these aluminum factory tabs. So these just support the original heavy setup through here with the plastic bushing. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a grinder with a zip cut. We're going to cut these off, and then we're going to use a flat disc to grind it smooth so it looks factory in there. So what we're going to do, we're going to get all these taken off for you here, and we're going to touch back when we have everything off to show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Back. So we did all the cutting. We're going to show you two methods, one with welding and one no welding required. So when you cut off the piece, if you take the grinder, when you cut it off, zip cut and stay to this side, and you can leave the back plate on the chassis like this, so you can see where it's originally welded on this side and the inside, and the main part of the plate is still on here. So if you do this method, no welding required. Option 2, over here, we removed all the welding. So what we did was we cut it real tight and we grinded it nice and flush on both sides, and then we used a file to clean up the inside right here. So this method, when we put in our bulkhead brace kit, we're gonna weld a little bit off through here and support our main brace back into the side. So two options. Option 1, no welding required. Leave the back plate in there, cut close, just touch to the welding on both sides. Option 2, cut it all out, TIG weld the inside right here, or a MIG spool right here, just to tie it all back in nice and neat. Okay. So we're ready to put our pivot back in. We're gonna use the OEM bolt and the lock washer. We're gonna add a flat washer onto it. We have two pieces in here, a bushing to go in through the top side, pushing on the back side. That's going to set the height. So we're going to put this in through here, nice and neat like that. You can also put a little bit of anti-seize in through here. If you ever want to take this off in the future, it'll be nice and easy to pull off. Okay, let's bolt it on like that. Nice and snug, no play either side. Bearing rolls nice and neat on there. Then we'll put our long side for our steering rod is going to come in through this side, and our short side through this side. Small rod through here, and we'll set it up at the chassis and get everything even out where we want for the steering. So that's the lightweight install kit. We're just going to show you how to put our lightweight steering post in, then we're all set. Okay, so to continue on with our steering and lightweight setup, we're going to remove the heavy factory two-piece post. that ideal for the racing situation. So we make a chromoly. This is our new design. We use a 7/8 stem. We step it up to 1 inch to use the factory mounts. This is all TIG welded, and we're going to show you how to put it in, nice and easy. So we're going to mock it up before it's powder coated, obviously. So you put it in, set the rods, and set everything up for you to make it look nice. So when you set it up finally, we're going to use a little bit of lube in here. Okay, so we got it in nice and easy. You can see it's a factory fit. The fit in between where we weld everything nice and neat right here, it's a really good fit. So once we got this set up right here and we mock up the front end, we could set up all of our steering rods for wherever we want to ensure everything's good. So there it is. That's our lightweight steering setup and lightweight chromoly post. These items are available on our website, pelicanracingparts.com. If you don't have them, you can check them out on there. If you already purchased them from us, we really appreciate it. Here's how to put the kit in, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Any other questions? Shoot us an email, shoot us a text, message on Facebook, whatever works best for you, and we'll get back to you. Thanks, and we appreciate it.
I said rock to the rhythm, don't stop.